While everyone on the internet is talking about either ChatGPT 4 or Google Gemini, let's talk about Microsoft Copilot. My name is Dinesh and this is Techpreneur channel. If you've not subscribed, subscribe and you'll learn a lot of new stuff with respect to AI and a lot of tech content. Okay, so now let's jump into Microsoft Copilot application. So in case if you've not installed Microsoft Copilot, I'll tell you how you can install Microsoft Copilot whether you are an Android user or an iPhone user. I'll explain you how you do that. However, how is Microsoft Copilot different from any other AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini? Well, Copilot is superb tool. I've been using it past few days and I'm loving it, specifically the mobile application which I'm using it in my Apple iPhone, and it has superb features whether you want to create some content with respect to text or maybe images. It creates images, superb images, and it also creates sounds. It creates superb sounds. Let's jump in. Okay, so let's quickly get started on how to install Microsoft Copilot on your phone. Whether you are having an Android phone or an Apple phone, you can simply go to the App Store. And if you have a Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and install the application. Now, since I'm using an Apple iPhone, I'll give the demo with Apple iPhone. So I'll quickly just start my recording. Now since I've already installed the application, you will see there is a Copilot icon over here. I'll just click on it, and once you click on it, this is how you see the home page of Microsoft Copilot. So this is where you get the chat GPT 4 prompt. If you will click here, you'll get the answers with respect with the response of chat gpt 4. So it will use chat gpt 4 to create its response and give you the answers, whatever you questions you ask. If you say like create a blog for me with respect to anything, content creation on YouTube, content creation on anything, any topic, so just type your query here and you will get the answers. So I'm sure you've done that a lot in ChatGPT, so I'll not do that. However, I've created few images and I'll just go to the history. Like I've created please create an image where you see lions using WordPress on the laptop. So you see this cute images where you see lions are using WordPress. So whatever you say, it will with your own imagination, it will create it. And I'll show you a few more. I've searched for dog swimming on a beach. So this is, I've just done this recently. So this is how you see, and you can also edit images as you require. You can give the prompt and you can make it as specific as you want, and it will create the images as you need. So it could be anything, just try it and you'll know. So this is with respect to images. Now my favorite part comes when you click on the plugins. Make sure you go to the plugins, put this plugin on. The name is Suno will create a new song for you. Like I've just created a rock song for cyclists. So I just searched for please create a rock song for cyclists. So it will create the lyrics and it will also create the music and it will also sing the song for you. So I'll just, what I had put was make a rock song for cyclists. So I'll just put on song. My two wheels in my face, and you see it, finding my own space. Okay, so this is it. You can put your own genre. You can say create a rock song, or you can say make a pop song, or make Indian classical song, whatever you like, and it will create the song as you need, and it will give you lyrics. It will also give you a thumbnail, and it will make an MP4 file which you can download and you can use. I've made one more, so I'll just show that one. This is again a rock song because I like rock music. So I said make a rock song for cyclists in Mumbai who ride in groups. So this is how. So this was my favorite part. So just start using Microsoft Copilot. You love it. It has super features, and you can go beyond anything. You can just simply use it on your phone. Just install the application, and you can do anything. So I would say start using Copilot and make your content creation even better. Thank you. So again, my name is Dinesh and this is Techpreneur channel. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll keep making such videos again and again and again and again. Thank you.